Hey everyone, here's some footage that I found on the web of this Japan Airlines crash. I've just compiled lots of different footage here and ordered it in kind of order of timeline of when it happened. So yeah, hope you can find some use to this, and definitely looks like the plane hit another plane on the runway. The Japan Airlines plane hit, and yeah, here's some a view from a passenger plane inside the plane. That's all the footage I could find from inside the plane, and here's some from the outside of people evacuating. You can see a lot of damage to the front of the plane. One of the engines was still running. You can see that in this photo, and you can see a really good look at the damage on this photo too. And here's some footage again of people evacuating, and that engine that it looks like they weren't able to shut down. I read that there was fuel leaking out of the plane, and there might have been. You can see a lot of liquid, but I think that fuel would have ignited if it was fuel much more quickly than I think it's actually the firefighting foam being sprayed onto the plane dripping down, because if it was fuel, I feel like those sparks would have ignited it very quickly. But yeah, pretty interesting. The engine's still running. You can see everyone evacuating here. And the slide has lights on it. I haven't seen that before. So either that's a new A350 thing, or don't really know. But yeah, it's very sad. Unfortunately, 5 people died, but it's actually incredible that the entire A350 plane evacuated. And this is the first big crash of an Airbus A350. So yeah, first full carbon fiber plane, big crash and fire. Yeah, you can see someone with a torch, probably cabin crew, I suspect, and you see people evacuating. You can also see, if you skip back the video a bit, you can actually see people hitting, like kind of crashing down on the slide and falling over and stuff. So I suspect if there's any injuries on this plane, it'll probably be from smoke inhalation and people falling down that slide, hitting each other, or like breaking their legs, spraining their ankle, that kind of thing. But it doesn't look like anyone's broken their leg. It looks like everyone's walking, but you don't really know for sure. People will be full of adrenaline. But yeah, this is all the footage I got. Hopefully it helps someone, or hopefully it helped you like understand this accident better. I spent like an hour, 2 hours looking at all the footage and finding everything I could. It looks like that engine is starting to really self-destruct itself. It's a shame they weren't able to shut it down, but you know, everyone got out. So at the end of the day, that's what matters. I think the last crew are now getting off the plane here. People with the torches, they look like cabin crew to me.